Hello, parents and students. This is Praveen Shenoy, associated with Mahesh Tutorials for the past 14 years. I am a faculty of geography, and today, on behalf of Mahesh Tutorials, I welcome all the parents and students for the academic planning 2022-23. When I talk about Mahesh Tutorials, as we all know about it, Mahesh Tutorials is not just into the school section, but we have also into the science and commerce. The science stream of Mahesh Tutorials is known by the name of Lakshya. So, let's talk about this Mahesh Tutorials in detail. When I talk about Mahesh Tutorials, you have come over here for the inquiry of 9th and 10th. So, basically, we talk about the school section. And Mahesh Tutorial school section earlier had its presence in Mumbai. The icing on the cake is, with the online batches of CBSE and ICSE, we are gonna make our presence feel even across the globe. Yes, Mahesh Tutorial school section is now across the globe with our online batches for CBSE and ICSE. So we are the masters of live lectures, we are the masters of classroom face-to-face interaction, and to top it, we also have our own curriculum-based application which is called as RoboMed Plus, which contains the video recorded lectures of all the subjects. So, we truly deserve to be called as the masters of all. लेकिन ये चीज प्रूव करने के लिए we also have our results of the 2020-21 batch. ICSE stream of Mahesh Tutorials broke all the records with All India rank 1 scored by Palash Jain, a whopping 99.8%. And along with him, there were more than 270 students who had scored 90% and above. Our CBSE topper, Dhwani Dedia, who has scored 98.8%, and along with her, more than 138 students scoring 90% and above. And in Maharashtra State Board, there were not one but two toppers, Animesh Shinde and Ameya Moharir, 99.8%, and along with them, more than 751 students scoring 90% and above. So, now we truly deserve to be called as the master of all board exams. And now, when we talk about the Mahesh Tutorials Commerce section, in the Mahesh Tutorials Commerce section, we had more than 200 students scoring 90% and above, the highest score being 98.66. The same success story continues with our Lakshya, that is science stream, more than 200 students scoring 90% and above, the highest score being 98.66% in the 12th boards. If I talk about the JEE Mains 2021 result, there were nearly 119 students qualified for the JEE Advanced. Highest All India rank was 120th. And in the NEET 2021, 92 students qualified. The highest score was 682. So yes, again, we truly deserve to be called as the master of all boards. So basically, when we talk about such fantastic result, to get these results, we at Mahesh Tutorials believe to have requisites. And these requisites to excel in the exam includes the first one, that is an access to knowledge. If I talk about today's generation retain things faster the audio visual way, and the presentations which you can see over here are the audio visual way of presenting the topics in front of students. And trust me, this presentation will help the child to get the best out of them. Across all the centers, you will be having the similar presentation. In fact, the same presentation is also used for our online methodology. Now, once the presentation is ready, as I discussed, it is loaded all across classrooms. The same presentation is now discussed amongst the teacher in their workshop. After access to knowledge, the second thing which is equally important for learning is called as an effective content. Effective content refers to the notes which are developed by the faculty members of Mahesh Tutorials. These notes includes the entire text material in the question and answer format. And these notes will help the child to learn the question answers from their exam point of view easily and effectively. Once the notes are ready, the same notes have to undergo strict quality check by the subject experts. And once the subject experts give a go-ahead signal, we are assured about the 100% quality, and then the same notes are distributed amongst the students. Many a times, parents have some queries. Will the child remember what is taught a year prior to the board examination? Or what if the child misses school or classes for a few days due to unavoidable circumstances? Or what if the child has some minor doubts prior to the exam and doesn't wish to waste the time traveling all the way to school or classes to get the doubts clear? What if your child comes to you one night prior to the examination and says he or she is unable to remember anything that he or she has been learnt? Now, in such a case, earlier we had no solution for this problem. But now onwards, you need not worry. Reason? You have our very own curriculum-based application which is called as Robomate Plus. Robomate Plus is our 24/7 application which contains the video recorded lectures of all the subjects. Not just that, at the end of every video, to test the knowledge of students for what they have learned in a video, they have been tested in the form of concept-based MCQs, multiple choice questions, which will help the child to gain confidence in what they have learned, and ultimately this Robomate Plus acts as a 24/7 teacher on their fingertip. So this is all about our effective content. Now let's talk about the third requisite to excel in the examination, that is called as an organized plan. So first we will discuss the planning for 9th standard. When we talk about 9th standard, physical offline classroom lectures will only commence as per the local, municipal and state government directives. So for 9th standard, the classes will start in the month of April. In the month of April, students will be having daily 3 to 4 lectures for 6 days a week. In the month of May, students will be called to classes for 15 days between 2nd of May to 31st of May, 6 hours lecture every day for 6 days a week. During the regular school days, that is from June onwards till November, students will be coming for daily 3 to 4 lectures 6 days a week, and whenever it is 6 days a week, Sunday will be holiday. Diwali vacation will be for 5 to 7 days, and thereafter, that is post Diwali, December to February, students will be coming to classes for exams, doubt solving and academic counselings. Now here, I would like to make one thing very clear. Since the final examination of 9th standard plays a very important role, we will see to it that we cover the 9 final exam portion first. School exams will have to be managed with the help of Robomate Plus. Above schedule is subject to change as per the government directives. And also, the second language, that is Hindi A, Hindi B, French, Sanskrit and Marathi will be completely taught online. When we talk about 10th standard functioning, for 10th standard, the physical offline lectures again will commence as per the local, municipal and state government directives. And for 10th standard, the classes will start from 1st of April to 30th of April. They will be having 3 lectures every day, 6 days a week. From 2nd of May to 31st of May, 6 lectures every day, 6 days a week. And from 1st of June to 9th of June, 3 lectures every day, 6 days a week. So by 9th of June, 60% of their CBSE 10th syllabus will be completed. From 10th of June onwards till October month, students will be called for 12 to 15 hours per week. When I say 12 to 15 hours per week, it means daily 3 lectures, and the balance 40% syllabus will be completed by October month. And from November onwards till the month of March, they will be having their exams, need-based doubt solving sessions, guidance lectures, intensive coaching, board question paper practices, target setting sessions, academic counselings and Humse Pucho. What exactly is the guidance lecture Humse Pucho? Let's understand. When I talk about the guidance lecture covers points like paper presentation, that is how to present the paper well in the board examination, that will be taught to them, along with the time management. How much time needs to be spent on a particular question will be taught, along with last minute preparation tips. And also we will cater to something called as nutrition plan, diet counseling, so that even diet is taken care of during the board examination. Going further, we have Humse Pucho. Humse Pucho is a 24-hour helpline number during the board examination, so that the child is not wasting the time traveling to the classes. The child can call any time during the board examination and clear his or her difficulty in that particular subject. So this was all about our organized plan. Let's go towards the fourth point, which is called as continuous practice. When we talk about continuous practice, the test series of 9th and 10th is similar, because in both 9th and 10th, the child needs to prepare for the entire syllabus, for the full portion. So accordingly, the very first exam will be called as PA1, that is Periodic Assessment 1, which will be subjective, which will be conducted in the month of May and June. PA2, that is Periodic Assessment 2, again subjective, will be conducted in the month of June to October, which will be one test every week. Semi-Prelim 1 and Semi-Prelim 2 will be conducted in the month of November and December. Semi-Prelim refers to the entire book being divided into two parts. 50% syllabus will be a part of one examination and balance 50% will be a part of other examination. Full book एक साथ prepare करना बहुत difficult होता है. With this 50% syllabus in one and 50% another, the child can comfortably prepare the entire syllabus easily. And thereafter, we will be conducting Prelim 1, which is called as mock board, in the month of December and January, and Prelim 2 in the month of February. So this is what is the continuous practice, that is the testing part for the students. So now, talking about the fifth requisite to excel in the examination, which is called as the technological support. Now students, when we talk about technological support, under the technological support, we have the Student Information Portal, that is SIP, and Google Classroom. Student Information Portal is a platform that is developed by our own IT team, ensuring complete web security for viewing the lecture schedule. And Google Classroom is a place where all test related content, that is soft copy of question papers and model answer papers, are uploaded for 24/7 access of students and parents. The sixth one is a suspense. And to reveal this suspense, I would request all my parents and students to please come to the nearby center and do get an understanding about the sixth point. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.